Dear friends, in this video we learn about the overview of C4 cycle. In some plant species, alternate modes of carbon fixation have evolved that minimize photorespiration and optimize the Calvin cycle. The most important of these photosynthetic adaptations are C4 photosynthetic carbon cycle, so named because initial CO2 fixation product is 4-carbon acid. The C4 cycle was discovered by Hatch and Slack, so it is sometimes called Hatch-Slack pathway. The C4 cycle concentrates CO2 at the site of carboxylation, keeping the CO2 concentration high enough for Rubisco to bind carbon dioxide rather than oxygen. In this way, C4 cycle has evolved to minimize photorespiration. Plants that have a C4 cycle are called C4 plants. It includes both monocots and dicots, and the C4 cycle is particularly prominent in Gramineae, Chenopodiaceae and Cyperaceae family. In C4 plants, there are two distinct types of photosynthetic cells, that are bundle sheath cells and mesophyll cells. In bundle sheath cells and mesophyll cells, the basic C4 cycle completes in 4 stages. If you like the video, share with your friends and please do subscribe our YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon to get update of latest notification from our channel. Thanks a lot.